Take it away, feeling too good to me. Chilling all day, all in your space is where I wanna be. Here in this room, what did you do? I just can't get enough. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah, you always make me feel like home. Yeah, you never leave my thoughts alone. Yeah, you're the reason I'm going out of my mind. I just can't stop thinking about you. All that I crave when you're away, nights are sleepless. Do we need space? Yeah, maybe a break. Boy, you're my weakness. Give and we take, the love that we make, it's my favorite drug. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah, you always make me feel like home. Yeah, you never leave my thoughts alone. Yeah, you're the reason I'm going out my mind. I just can't stop thinking about you. You got me feeling some type of way. You make me wanna stay in all day. You're the reason I can't get out my head. I just can't stop thinking about you. 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 I just can't stop thinking about you.
Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to another vlog. Thank you so much for joining me today. So today has been long, y'all. I filmed those other clips that you just saw hours ago at like 9 o'clock this morning, and it's currently 4:33 and I look super dark and tan, y'all. So if you guys don't know, Mark and I actually just came back from Cancun. We actually just got back last night. We didn't get home till about 10:30, and I actually had some meetings that I could not push off any longer, so I had to jump on and work today. So today has been a little hectic, just trying to get my life together, also trying to work and do everything. Like, I was sitting here looking at my calendar and I'm like, oh my god, my book drops in 2 weeks. 2 weeks from today. And I'm very excited, but there is so much to do for it, so much promo that we have to get out, and I still have to film the chapters for the book. So I'm going to be doing like all of that this weekend and just trying to get as much done as possible, because child, it is a lot of work, so much work to be done, but I'm very excited and grateful to be doing it. So also, as you guys just saw, I did just get a new watch. So I got some new tech. I have some stuff coming. Like, I'm literally revamping a lot of my YouTube setup, and not just for YouTube, but also for things like filming ebooks and content and stuff like that, which I will be doing so much more of in 2021. I got my camera, I got a new lens, and I just got some other little odds and ends that I can't wait to show you guys when they get here. But I also ended up getting an Apple Watch because when we were in Cancun, Mark's his Fitbit just died on him, and he's had it for a while, so it died. We were both Fitbit people because we had Android phones. We didn't have an iPhone, so we didn't get Apple Watches. But since I did upgrade to the iPhone just a few months ago, I'm giving Mark my Fitbit, and then I just upgraded to an Apple Watch. And so I got the Apple Watch SE, and I'm still learning it. It just came, so I'm just literally putting it on my wrist and stuff, but that's that. So maybe I'll do a what's on my Apple Watch or something like that later on down the line once I get it all set up and stuff. But yeah, that's really what's been going on. Like I said, it's the day after vacation, so I'm really just trying to get my mind right and be ready, like go full steam ahead on everything that I have coming up within the next 2 weeks. The next 2 weeks are going to be absolutely crazy, and I'll definitely take you guys along, show you the behind the scenes and all that stuff. I do have to go into work for a couple of hours tomorrow, so I'm not going to be working in this space, so I'm going to clean it up for the weekend, and this is also going to be the space where I film the book. So I'm going to play with some backdrops and some things like that in this room, and the lighting and all of that, to see where I want things placed, where I want to sit, what I think looks best, all that stuff. So that's what I'm about to do now, and yeah, that's that. If you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe to this channel because you never want to miss out on anything that I have coming up. And let's get started. So it is it's March 19th, 9:36 a.m. I actually just got off my first meeting. I have another one to get on, and then I'm actually going to head off to my office. So I haven't been to the office. That's my baby yelling. I haven't been to the office in months, y'all. Today is my first day actually working after we got back from vacation. Y'all hear him? Y'all know me. He's gonna keep yelling. Y'all know me and Mark went to Cancun. So we got back from Cancun Wednesday night, and I had a few meetings yesterday, but today's my actually first full-blown day working all day. And I came back to some mess, you know what I'm saying? I have an investigation to do. You guys know I work in human resources. If you didn't, now you do. I have an investigation to do, and I also have a union grievance to hear. So a few things on the agenda for today. That's why I am dressed and ready to go into the office. I'm gonna put a little bit of makeup on my face, make myself look presentable, and take my next meeting. Then we're gonna head out to Starbucks and then the office. So that's what's really on the agenda for today. Also, I'm gonna do a full tech unboxing video because I have some new stuff coming. So I did get, there we go, I did get an Apple Watch. So you guys know I've been an avid Fitbit user. If you've been watching me, you know that. I got an Apple Watch. So I think we're gonna spend some time this evening kind of going through some of the features. I kind of just unboxed it yesterday and then put it on my wrist. I did the initial setup, paired it with my phone, and then just kind of put it on my wrist and didn't do anything else with it. So I'm gonna probably look through some of the features, do some of the like customization and setup. So maybe we'll do that together in this video. And yeah, I'm really just trying to get my mind back into work mode because I've been in vacation mode for the past week. Also, I know I got a lot of updates for y'all. My book comes out in less than 2 weeks now. It was 2 weeks from yesterday. So my book comes out in 13 days and I still have to film it. I have all of the chapters outlined. They all outlined, they ready to go. I just have to film the darn thing. So that is also what I'll be working on this weekend. Not sure if I'll show that in this video, but I'll probably be doing some setup, some prep tonight. I do have a new camera coming today. So that's another thing that I'm probably going to throw in that tech unboxing, but you guys might see a little bit of it today. I have a new camera, a new lens, I have a microphone. Like I have so much stuff coming, and for YouTube videos, for content creation, for more ebooks in the future, who knows, and all of that. So make sure your calendars are marked for April 1st so you guys can get your hands on my ebook first. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. I just have a lot of work to do to make this dream happen. Okay, so it is 9:39. Can you guys tell I've already had coffee? Like I feel like I'm so hyper right now, but it's 9:39 a.m. I do have again another meeting at 10. Then I'm gonna throw some makeup on and then we're gonna get in the car and head to the office. I don't even remember talking to him about that. Can I have a straw as well? Thanks, Preston. Okay, sorry, I had to get my fix before I okay. Okay, y'all, so I had a work call to take while I ran to Starbucks, and then I got to Starbucks and realized I didn't have, well, actually I got on the freeway and realized I didn't have my work ID to get into the campus. So I had to come back home. Thank God, like I go to Starbucks, we're like in between two exits on the freeway, so I go to the exit up to go to Starbucks because that's the closest Starbucks, and I get on the freeway there. So I got on the freeway there and I was like passing our exit and I'm like, shoot, I left my work ID. So I had to come back home to get it. Now we are headed to work with our Starbucks. I ended up getting the new drink, the Grande Iced Chocolate Almond Milk Espresso. I love this thing. It's only 110 calories and it's actually really good as is. Here we go with the truck issues. I can never get down my own street because there are trucks blocking the street. Like what the hell? But yeah, so that is what I ended up getting. I love this drink, it's really good. But now we are finally headed to work. So I was on a call talking about So I was on a call talking about FMLA and leaves and stuff like that. So obviously when you are in human resources, you talk a lot about sensitive information, and I look extra dark because my lip gloss does not normally look this light. This lip gloss, I feel like it's because my lips are black. Like my lips are so burnt from our trip, y'all. They're so dark. I don't know if you can tell. My skin is peeling, and I probably could have done without the makeup today, but I wanted to look a little bit alive, so I did it. But anyway, what was I saying? Oh yeah, you deal with the people's sensitive information every day, all the time. So that's something that you just really want to be careful of and make sure that you are not obviously spreading people's sensitive information, and you're also being, so HR has these two sides to it, because you have to uphold the company policy, but then you also have to use common sense and be very, you have to empathize with people and empathize with their situations, and really use your judgment sometimes in what is right. And I mean, what is right for the company and also what is right for the employee. You're an advocate for both in human resources. I feel like a lot of times I see people on one side or the other. So they're in HR, but they are advocating so hard for the company, which you have to advocate for the company, because obviously if something happens, the company folds, the company gets sued, you ain't gonna have no job if that company folds, okay? So you have to advocate for the company, but you also have to advocate for the employee as well. You have to walk that line in the middle to make sure that things are running smoothly. And I see people sometimes on both sides. I'll see people on like strongly advocate for the employee and not understand that the company has a right to run its business, and if the company doesn't run its business, then we all out of a job. So you have to think about that. But then also, you are that advocate for the employee. You are, like, HR is the function that is supposed to be taking care of, everybody is supposed to be taking care of the employees, but human resources is that dedicated function that is supposed to be taking care of the company's biggest asset, which is employees, people. So I mean, you have to be able to walk that line. And again, we're talking about sensitive information, so you have to be able to empathize with people in their situations. So when we're talking about leaves, sometimes it's happy time, like birth, sometimes it's sad times, like death and surgeries and illnesses and things like that. And you have to, again, uphold company policy while also making sure that employee feels like they're safe and secure, their information is safe and secure, feels like even their feelings are safe and secure. You have to really walk that line. I hope that's making sense, but that is kind of what I'm dealing with right now. So anyway, I'm headed into work, to the office. I'm gonna drink my coffee, zone out to some music, and get ready for this hearing, y'all. Let's go. It feels so weird to be here, y'all. I literally have not been here sitting at my desk in months, and it's kind of eerie because no one else is here. It's like me and like one or two other people in the building. So I'm not gonna be here long. I've been doing some work. It's already noon, so I'll just have to do some more prep work, and then I'm gonna go ahead and get up out of here after that. I'm also going to bring home, remember I used to show you guys this all the time, this is my to-do list for work. I'm definitely going to bring this home so I could use this at home as well, because it's super helpful. And then I'm gonna grab a couple of things from my office as well. I didn't realize that I wouldn't be here for so long, and so there were things that I left here that I certainly could have used. So that is that.